Greetings, fellow word lovers. Today, we are going to have a blast with two amazing words. First up, we have this word which is pronounced as vandalize. Vandalize. This word is used to describe the act of intentionally damaging or destroying property. Think of it as the opposite of a renovation. It's like taking a beautiful painting and turning it into a mess. Here is a sentence example. The walls had been horribly vandalized with spray paint. Next, we have this word which is pronounced as compadre. Compadre. This word refers to someone who is a close friend or companion. It's like having a partner in crime, but in a good way. Someone who has your back and supports you no matter what. To give you an example, think of a superhero duo like Batman and Robin. They are the epitome of compadres. But where did this amazing word come from, you might ask? Compadre originated from the Spanish word compañero, meaning companion or friend. It was widely used in Latin America and was eventually adopted into English, where it became a commonly used term for a close friend. Here is a sentence example. He and three compadres are now planning to ride off into the sunset for a well-earned early retirement. So, now you know. If you ever hear someone talking about vandalizing, just think of it as a way to make something go from pretty to not so pretty. And if you hear someone talking about their compadre, that means they have a friend for life, just like Batman and Robin. That's it for this video, folks. Remember to have fun with words and don't forget to share the love with your compadres. Until next time, keep practicing your pronunciation and stay awesome. Thanks for watching.